In today's video, Bill's A90 Supra gets an AWE exhaust. Hey, this is Bryan. Thanks for watching Kies Motorsports. If you like our videos, give us a thumbs up, make sure to subscribe, and check us out at KiesMotorsports.com. Today we have Bill in the house. You might know him as Super Officer. Bill, what are we installing today?
Today we're installing the AWE Touring Exhaust Resonated.
Now, if you followed our channel for any length of time, this exhaust is very similar to the G20 M340i exhaust that we previously installed. We've also installed other exhausts on the Supra before, so if you're looking for more of a DIY, we're gonna leave you some links down below, but today, we wanna give you really what you wanna hear, how it sounds. So Bill and I are gonna throw this exhaust on the Supra, and then we'll be back with some revs, drive-bys, and more. Bill's car is so rarely driven. The exhaust looks brand new. This is the worst part of the whole install, getting it detached from the downpipe, so hopefully that goes easy.
Oh, they got that on there. Woo! Oh, whoa!
Super important piece we have here. So the factory exhaust goes out at 3" and the AWE is 3.5, and then it's dual pipes through. So much more flow. So you gotta make sure you have this piece or it's not gonna work. Love this piece. This is a cold start on an A90 Supra with AWE Touring Exhaust with resonators. Now that you heard what it sounds like standing still, let's take it out on the open road. Alright, so what we want to do now is we want to show you what it actually sounds like when you're in the cabin driving the car. So for the exhaust, it is a valveless system, so it sounds pretty much the same volume all the time. You don't have the ability to change it from louder to softer, but heck, it sounds good all the time, so you don't really need it. So if I just get... So if you get on it, it sounds so good. Now, with this system, sorry, it's just a lot of fun. Bill has a downpipe on this car, so that does impact the sound a little bit. The other thing I want to let you know is that we went with the Resonated Touring Edition. Now, there's several different versions. If you want a race version, if you want resonated, if you want unresonated. Personally, I like the sound of the resonated. It is still plenty loud. It is not toned down by all that much. It just sounds really good, has a really good tone. Here's a little straightaway, I'll get on a little bit here. So you can see, it sounds so good. The B58, it just sings in these cars. Sound similar to, very similar to Edwin's G20 M340i. These cars just sound so good with exhaust. If you're driving around, you know, like right now we're going about 60. You can hear the exhaust, but you're not going to get really bad drone. AWE uses 180 technology to cancel out drone. Now, I will say, you will have a little bit of drone if you have a downpipe especially, because it's not really in AWE's control on what they can and can't do if you have a downpipe or don't have a downpipe. So if you have a downpipe, expect a little drone. If not, it's going to sound really nice and you're not going to get ear-piercing drone. And as you just heard, that's why AWE is a choice for many of our personal cars, because it sounds absolutely insane. Now, be sure to stay tuned because the AWE treatment isn't done on Bill's A90 Supra, so make sure to come back because we have a carbon fiber intake that we're going to be installing very soon. Once again, my name is Brian, that's Bill, Supra Officer. Be sure to give us a like, make sure to subscribe, and check us out at KiesMotorsports.com. And for all the links to products and tools we use in today's video, be sure to see the links in the description. Once again, I'm Brian, that's Bill, and that is Zach behind the camera. Thanks for watching, and have a great day.